Yo, Capital Bro C, and welcome back to another video, guys. So will be a very quick video. I just wanted to talk about the HFM demo to real competition or virtual to real competition. Mr. D or Capital Bro D did the video this in the past, did this in the past. So here we go. So this is HFM demo competition. I'm not gonna go into depth what Mr. D said in this video. He just basically went over the competition and said he's gonna do it. So HFM does this competition each month. So we made a video with Bull Rush where they do daily competition. So that is also HFM does the same thing, but Bull Rush does it on a bigger scale where they do it every day, every month, and every week. So, but HFM is also the same because this is like it does it every month, and they give you a demo account which is a little bit bigger, and not like a challenge within the case of Bull Rush. So I am currently in the top 4. I'm number 4 currently on this. There's a new strategy, which is not my main strategy that we've been doing, like the actual way I trade my personal accounts and professional accounts. This is just a new strategy that I've been trying out, and testing it on the demo like Bull Rush and HFM is a good way to see how your strategy holds up, basically. So I'm number 4, and I've been basically just trading gold with this since gold is all-time highs. And yeah, I'm just gonna go over very quick the trades I've taken is on MT4. So I think I'm still in the trade. Okay, we were still in the trade. The market's closed. I'm recording this on a Saturday, so just keep in mind the trade is closed. As you can see, we took this from $10,000 to about $84,000, $86,000, and the trade is still open. Here is our trades for the last month. Let's go to last month. As you can see here, we started. So it's a lot size of 5, so it's quite big lot sizes. And this is obviously because it's a $10,000 account. And there you can see this is basically the trade history up until now. There we took some big losses, but there we also took some big dubs. And that's basically the trade history so far. So number 1, the first person took the $10,000 to 130k. Second person took it to 120k, and I'm currently at 80. I should be third, I think, because I'm at 86. Yeah, I should be third. But that's basically wanted to show you guys I'm not going to show you the strategy because it's a strategy that we're testing out, me and Mr. D, and it's obviously we have a Capital Bro M. I'm not going to know if he doesn't want to know his real name, but he taught us like the fractile and a lot of new things. So we've been trying to obviously learn from him and see how the strategy holds up, because we don't have a lot of experience with this strategy. So I'm just gonna give you a brief overview. Okay, don't mind this code. A brief overview is basically using this top fractals and bottom fractals, and then you put a long and short basically depending on that, and we usually use the 5-minute, 15 and 1. So I'm not gonna go into in depth because it's not like we don't have like data to prove like it holds up, which we've only been working with this for a month, and a month's not enough to prove that a strategy works. So that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that's basically the video I wanted to make today. I think I'm like 5 minutes in. So yeah, so if you obviously new to to Forex trading, joining demo competitions such as HFM and Bull Rush is the way to go. And obviously signing up to HFM and getting a trusted broker is also good, because then you have a broker for when you do start. So just join HFM, join any of the other ones we do mention, like the platforms one. But yeah, join those two, HFM and Bull Rush. Sign up, the links will be down below for that. And yeah, and then you can start learning. Even if you blow the account, you can try next month, and similar to what the Bull Rush, you can do it on a daily and to see are you actually gaining money or you're losing. So once you do this for about 3-4 months, then you can obviously deposit money into your actual account and then trade. Once you have an edge trading strategy, once you have that perfected and see it's proven, then you can start trading. But yeah, that is today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Very quick in and out video, guys. So yeah, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, sign up to HFM, and yes, wish me best of luck. Hopefully we do end up being number 1. Some other person might just come and overtake us all, but yeah, that's basically trading. You don't know who would be the person who would be number 1. But so far, the strategy has been holding up. It's looking good on this side, and we have about 15 more days to keep this rank or to improve ourselves, or we might go down. But that